Peko. Today we learn about te. Te deals with two kinds of subordinate clauses, noun clauses and relative clauses. When te is preceded immediately by a preposition or the start of the sentence, it is a noun clause. For example, sili wile e te sili moko e pan. In this, te sili moko e pan is the noun or noun clause. It is what you want, so the sentence means you want that you eat bread. However, remember that sentences and clauses can be subjectless. Our earlier sentence, sili wile e te sili moko e pan, can be written as sili wile e te moko e pan, where the noun clause is essentially a subjectless infinitive to eat bread. And the sentence is you want to eat bread. And when te is after e, you can also drop the e to make the sentence even simpler. Sili wile te moko e pan. Now try out saying, I want to be able to speak Toki Ma. The correct translation is mili wile te ken te toki e Toki Ma. Logical, isn't it? What would mili pesoni te moko mean? Pesoni means to need, by the way. The translation is I need to eat. What does this mean? Mili pasan nen te sili toki mean. It means I get happy due to you talking to me, or I like that you talk to me. The second use of te is a relative clause. This is invoked when te follows a noun. For example, pan te sili moko e lipona. In this sentence, the relative clause has an empty preposition, which is where the noun is supposed to go. Just look, the word after e is missing. But we know the object of the relative clause, it's pan. So the sentence means the bread that you are eating is good. If there's no empty preposition, the subject is dropped. Yan te moku lipona means the person that eats is good. You can drop li if a verb is right after te. Trick question, what does this mean? Toki te toki pelu lipona mute. It actually means the language that is spoken is very good, because the preposition pelu, aka with, refers to toki. Now to some vocabulary. Te, relative clause marker, ken, to can, to be able, pesoni, to need, ajuta, helpful, assistive, intisa, waiting, patient, lanpan, to take, to receive, pana, to give, to send, to provide, lipu, flat object, book, paper, document, card, ticket, website, nasin, way, path, road, seli, hot, warm, cooked, lete, cold, cool, uncooked, raw, tuntan, correct, fair, right, just, isala, incorrect, unfair, wrong, unjust, kule, color, paint, sajo, ongoing, in continuation, supa, horizontal surface, thing, to put or rest something on, floor, epi, heavy, thick, fat, solid, mawon, light, thin, munkin, possible, osa, part, piece, particle, element, component, subdivision, segment, alasa, to hunt, to forage, to gather, to find, to look for. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, Militawa.